Okay, I have to go on a little side tangent here. This was the first time I let our pig Baconstein out to hang out with us in the garden. Before, he has just been hanging out in his pen. I kind of let him out just to see how he'd do, to see if he'd, hang out with us and be cool. And he was. I also wanted him to kind of tear up this little grassy area that I'm sprinkling all this food on. But guys, I wish I'd never done that. I guess he got a taste of what it's like to live life on the outside, and he ran away the next day or that night. I don't know. So the next morning, I noticed that the chickens were out, and so I went to go see what was going on, and he was gone. He pushed the door that I have separating the garden area from the chicken run area where his pen was, and he was just gone. Look at that little tail. Just look at how cute that little tail going back and forth is. I'm just so sad he's gone.